Ever since I started making granola at home, none of my family members want to eat store-bought granola anymore. I will show you how to make it. You need oatmeal, almond, pistachio, goji berry, pumpkin seed, peanut, peanut butter, vanilla extract, honey, salt, coconut oil. Now it's time to mix all your nuts together. I supposed to get a shredded nut, but I am working with what I have at home. I have to break it into tiny pieces, but shredded ones is preferable. Now mix all your dry ingredients together. Add peanuts. You don't need to break the peanuts. Add goji berry. This is optional. You can use any fruit, sweet fruit of your choice. Let's mix the wet ingredients: peanut butter and honey. Add vanilla extract. Then a pinch of salt. Add coconut oil. Now mix very well. It's time to pour inside your dry ingredients. When I tell you this is the best granola I've ever made, oh, stop buying store-bought. It is very simple, very easy to prepare at home, and your family will love it. And you'll be in control of what goes in. Some people are allergic to peanuts, but making your own granola at home, you control the kind of nuts you use. Now bake for 20 minutes. Our granola homemade is ready. Allow it to cool down before you start breaking it. Oh, this is so good, crunchy and tastes so delicious. Making granola at home is pretty simple. After watching this video, make sure you go try it and come to the comment section. Let me know how yours turned out to be. Now we have a jar of granola. We are going to be enjoying it with yogurt. This looks so good. With a little strawberry. Choose any fruit of your choice. Banana is good. Strawberry is also perfect. Let me know if you really enjoyed this video. If you do, please do not hesitate to share so it will get to other people. Bye.